Hello everyone, this is our fourth lecture of this Power BI course. So introduction to the Power BI desktop. So I will start with a quick summary. So Power BI standalone is Microsoft Business Intelligence product and which include both desktop and web-based application for loading, modeling and visualizing the data. So again, here in this course, we will be focusing only on the Power BI desktop specifically. And with the Power BI, you can connect, transform, and analyze millions of row of data, and even you can access that data virtually from anywhere. And whether it's a database, flat files on your desktop, or any of the cloud services, folder files, etc. So you can connect any database from anywhere by using the Power BI. And there is a huge connector library that allow us to connect or to access a ton of information. And not only that, but you can also create the fully automated and repeatable ETLs procedure to shape the entrance forms. And like download the data from those different sources, and next we can actually build the relational models inside the Power BI to blend the data and each of those multiple rows and the multiple sources. And this is the concept that is getting more and more important in this analytic world, and by creating these relationships. So between all those sources, we are if we were able to analyze holistic performance across the entire data model, and that's the critical skill set for anyone working in the data or the data analytics or the business intelligence tools. And we can define the complex calculation using the data analysis expression or the DAX formula language. So we will be going to this enhance the data set and enable some really interesting analytics techniques. And we will be visualizing or the data with the interactive report and the dashboard, and that will be doing throughout this course. And it's actually building our own custom business intelligence tool using the Power BI best in class visualization tool. And the dashboard features, it's powerful, and most importantly it's absolutely free to start with the Power BI desktop. So I think that's all in this section, and from the next section we will start begin with the Power BI download and installing and every process. Thank you.